Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week, $7.39 for my envelopes. So I already figured out my wallet. My wallet's just going to get its usual amount this week. Last week, well, this current week that I'm on, I did a little bit extra in coffee, but this week is just going back to my normal amount. So spending is getting $30, eating out $30 as well. Groceries is $80, coffee $20, and buffer is going to get $10. So that's a total of $170 in my wallet. Okay, so that is it for that one, and I'm just gonna go into my envelopes. I'm gonna start off in the black, or my binders. I'm gonna start off in the black one first. Actually, no, I take that back. I'm gonna start in my savings first because I just have one savings challenge that I'm planning ahead for. This one's about to end too. But I need to find some more savings challenges. So I might just have a couple right now, but that's okay. So I have roll the dice. I'm just gonna write that down right here. Roll the dice. And that's gonna get 17 because I rolled last week in my last cash stuffing. Okay, so actually I have to remember to calculate all this too. So I'm going to take away the 170 and then the 17 right there. And then 100 envelope. I think this week I'm just going to do, I have a 25. So I'm going to do 100 envelope. But usually what I'll do is I will take like leftover money in my wallet and try to bump this up a little bit more to a higher one than I originally planned. So I might end up doing that. I might not. That's what I've been doing the past few weeks. I've been saying I'm going to do 25, but then it ends up being more than that. So that's a possibility. Okay, and then for Go Wild, I actually have 2460 in here. So I'm going to put 40 in here so I can get it to 2,500. I'll be able to color in another llama. I'll be able to take the 500 to the bank, and 2,500 is actually my goal amount for this. When I initially started this savings, like saving for Go Wild. Go Wild is actually going to be next month, so I still have a few more weeks left to save money, which I do plan. So I'm hoping I can actually get to this 3,000 now and just color in the rest of these. So that's just another $500. So we'll see if I get there. I was gonna ask for money for my birthday because my birthday's coming up from my family, because that's what I did for Christmas, and they helped me out with that. But now I'm thinking like I don't even have to do that anymore. They can just buy me something nice if they want to, instead of just giving me cash, since I'm already at my goal amount. So that's exciting. I was able to reach that with a month and a half to go. So I think I'll be able to do the 500 on my own, or like almost close to 3,000. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to put 40 in here just so I can get it to 2,500 and take all that money back to the bank. Okay, so that's it for my savings. That is everything in there. Now I'm going to go into this black one right here. And so in here, I have an envelope still in here that technically is already done. If you watched my last unstuffing video, I explained it in there, what's going on. But my extra debt, it's empty right now because I took this money. At the end of the month, I'll take the money out of here and take it back to the bank and make an extra debt payment on, I had one card left. But I did come into some money recently, and so I was able to pay off my credit card. So I don't have any debt anymore, but I'm kind of paying myself back because I want to use that money that I got and use it for other things. But it was nice at least to just pay this off in the meantime and not have to like worry about, interest or anything like that, and just get that taken care of. And then I'm just paying myself back essentially. So I'm still gonna work on getting the money back to the bank for this. I think it's around, I have to still calculate it. I think it's around like $1,700 that I'm saving towards. So this is just gonna go towards that. And I have to like make a little tracker or something to kind of count down to that amount so I don't forget. And then I'll completely be done with this. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on with this envelope right now. Seems a little confusing, but I'm excited. At least that's gone and I don't have to like actually make the payments anymore, but just put the money back in my savings account is essentially what I'm doing. So for extra debt, I'm going to put $60 in extra debt. So we'll do 60 here. Okay, so it's kind of like the main one I wanted to focus on first. And then auto repair. So I have 112. I just took my car for maintenance and did a bunch of things recently for my car. So I'm just saving for the next time around, whatever I need to get done. Oh, I actually need to go and get a smog check. I need to do that soon, actually. I probably should have planned to do that this weekend, but I didn't plan to do that, so we'll have to do it another weekend, I guess. Or maybe during the week. We'll see. I might have to like leave work and get it done, and then, yeah, we'll see. But auto repair is going to get $30. Yeah, I need to do that because my registration's due this month. So I need to take care of that. Christmas, I'm going to put, I have 135, so I'm going to put 15 in here. And honestly, like when I go through my envelopes, I'm just kind of going through them and I have in my mind already like which ones I want to prioritize over the others. So which ones are going to get more than the others. And then sometimes I'll just look at the total and maybe like say for instance, this one is at $492. So I could like even that out a little bit. And that's close to 500. So I'm just going to put 28 in there. 28. Emergency has 980. So this is another one. I'm just going to put 20. That'll get me to 1,000. And then I can take all that money back to the bank. So 20. Okay, extra debt's taken care of. Furniture is not a huge priority. I mean, I do want to buy a couple of things. Oh, I wanted to buy some like outdoor furniture because I don't have anything on my balcony. It's just like nothing out there. So I thought it'd be cool to buy like a chair or something. So kind of saving towards that. But for furniture, I'm gonna put 20 this week. Rainy day, I have 125. I'm planning on taking a day off from work on Friday because we're going to Disney to celebrate my birthday and my friend's birthday. So I think I'm just gonna put 15 in here for this week. I use this money to kind of cover days where I don't take PTO, or like if I'm sick, I'll use that money. So yeah, that's kind of what I do that one with. Road trip is going to get, I have 90. I'm gonna put 20 in here because I'm going out of town, so I can use some gas money for that. Scentsy is going to get, okay, Scentsy is going to get 7 because I have 68. So I'm gonna put 7. Even that out. Subscriptions, I have 80. I'm gonna put 20, make that 100. Treat yourself is going to get, I have 116. I'm gonna put 30 and treat yourself. Okay, so that's it for this one. Now into the white one. These are like more of my everyday spending ones. I always like pulling from these during the week. So I need to go buy some new cleanser and maybe pick up something else because I have a coupon, but I have to spend $50 in order to do that. So I might have to go a little bit over 50 in order to do that. So we'll see. Possibly. I don't know. I still haven't done the math on it, but I'm not sure yet what else I'm going to buy. My cleanser's like 44, around 44, and I was going to pick up something else. Maybe like some hand sanitizer or something. I don't know. But I'm going to get in beauty, I'm going to put, I have 50, so I'm going to put 15 in beauty. Content is going to get, I'm just gonna put 5 just to get something in there. Clothing, I have 66, so that I'm gonna put 14 in clothing. Costco, I'm gonna put 15 in Costco. Okay, so I'm going to Disney this week, like I mentioned on Friday. I have 26. I just went to Disney. I go to Disney a lot. Like I just went for a few hours to meet up with some friends on Wednesday. And I did do a little shopping and I ate a little bit there. I just went into the parks for a few hours. So I'm left with $26. So I think I'm going to put 60 in here. 80, 86. Yeah, I'll put 60 in here because I need money for my next Disney trip. So 60. Family is going to get, I have 36. I'm just going to put 14 in family. Fun. I have $8 in fun. I'll put 30. Because I can use this when I go to Disney too. I kind of combine envelopes if I need to. And gifts is going to get 11. Hobbies is going to get, I'm gonna put 10. I only have $10 in here. Holiday decor is just gonna get 5. Home decor, 5 as well. Household, I have 34, so I'm gonna put 6. I don't think I need, I think maybe I just need like a sponge, like a dish sponge. That's kind of it. Kind of stocked up on everything else. So 6. And Target, I'm going to put 20. Okay, so I'm left with 12. That $12 is just going to go into savings. Savings. $12. Okay, so that'll zero me out there. All right, so now I need to figure out the denominations that I'm going to be pulling when I go to the bank today. So the top one's already figured out. Auto repair is 30, so that's 20 and a 10. Christmas is 15, 10 and a 5. Electronics is 28, so 25, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to try my best not to mess up this time. Last time I messed up and it took me a bit to figure out what I did. Okay, emergency is 20. Extra debt is going to get a 50 and a 10. Furniture is 20. Rainy day is 15, 10 and a 5. Road trip is 20. Scentsy is 7, 5, 6, 7. Subscriptions is 20. Treat yourself is 30. Beauty is 15, 10 and a 5. Content is 5. Clothing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Costco is 15. Disney is 60. I'm actually going to do 20s. I'm not going to do a 50 and a 10. I'm going to do 3 20s. 1, 2, 3. And then family is 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Fun is 30. So 20 and a 10. Gifts is 11, 10 and a 1. Hobbies is 10, 5 and 5. Then a 6, 5 and 1. Target is 20. 20. Go Wild is 40. 2 20s. Roll the dice, 17. So 10, 15, 16, 17. 100 envelope is 25. And savings, I'm going to do 2 5s and then 2 1s. So 10, 11, 12. All right, so that should be correct. I don't think I messed up on anything, but we shall see. Now I'm going to count the tally. So 50, I have 2 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 1s. Okay, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 ones. All right, we'll see if I did this correctly. 50s, I have 100. 18 times 20 is 360. Then I have 180. 15 times 5, I don't know why I can't do math today, 75 and 28. 100, 360, 180, 75 and 28. No. 100, 360, 180, 75 and 28. Okay, I definitely messed up somewhere. Oh no, where did I mess up? How did I do that? 100, 360. I think whenever I say I'm not gonna mess up, I mess up. So I'm over $4. Maybe I counted this wrong. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Oh, I counted this wrong. My goodness. At least that was easy to figure out. This is supposed to be 24. Okay. 100, 360, 180, 75, 24. Perfect. 739. My bad. I cannot count ones apparently. So that was my issue today. But at least that was easy to figure out, thankfully, because it was all ones. But yeah, that is going to be it. When I go to the bank, actually, I'm going to write out my little sticky notes so you can see how I write it out to them. Okay, so I just have like little sticky notes. I got these off of Amazon. So I just give this to the teller. And oh, and also I think I've heard, like, seen some people in the comments say like they don't like to go and ask for their money like this, or maybe they feel like they're bothering them, but I've never had that type of feeling at the bank. They're very helpful. There's other people ahead of me doing kind of the same thing. I've seen people take out like thousands and thousands, or like bring in stacks of ones to them, like backpacks full of ones. And them having to like count them through the machines and stuff. Yeah. And that guy, like, I felt bad for the teller on that one because he was hustling on that one. But no, I've never found an issue going to ask them. They never look at me funny, like nothing like that. So I mean, it's your money, so you should be able to get it how you want. So in 50s, I'm doing, let me write it out here. Okay, so 50s, so I'll just write 50 times 2, and that equals 100. And then 20 times 18, that equals 360. And then 10s times, 18 also, and that equals 180. 5s times 15, and that is $75. And then the 1s times 24, and that is $24. So in total, that's gonna be $739 that I'm asking to take out of my bank, of my account. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching me cash plan for the week. I will have my cash stuffing up on Sunday, so definitely check that out if you're interested to see how this all goes into the envelopes. But that is it for this video. Thank you again for choosing to watch this video. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do put out content every single day. If you're interested in seeing some planning and budgeting related content, then definitely subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.